RCC is a command line tool that allows you to create, manage, and distribute Python-based self-contained automation packages, or robots as we call them. RCC is available on Windows, macOS, and Linux. To install RCC on macOS, you can use the Homebrew package manager. Start by running the brew install command. It will download and install RCC on your machine. Use the RCC create command to create a new robot. Provide a name, select a template, and you're done. Use the RCC run command to run the robot. You can open the robot project in Visual Studio Code from the command line. Run RCC to view all the available commands. Let's use the RCC pull command to pull a robot from GitHub. Visit robocorp.com for more information.